Welcome to Blackburn Audi. I'm Harriet and I'm going to take you on a quick tour of this SQ2. This gives 300 PS. It is an STronic gearbox. This is finished in the quantum grey. As you can see from here as well, you've got the red brake calipers on there. So it is our VIP weekend, so there are huge savings to be made. So you've got the SQ2 badge in there. You've got the black contrast door mirrors and pan roof. In the back. Generous amount of space in there. Back seats can be pushed back for a little bit more room. The electric tailgate. Moving on inside, so this car does come with the tech pack and the comfort and sound pack. It's also got auto dimming rear view mirrors, and the door mirrors fold automatically as well. So as you can see, we've got the Audi virtual cockpit, the flat bottomed multifunctioning steering wheel with the S logo there. You've got your automatic transmission, the STronic, and your MMI system there as well, and your climate control. And we've got the S embossed leather seats with the grey contrast in there. So if you'd like any more information on this car, please contact me on 07595 474722 or email me at h.evans@blackburn.audi.co.uk and we'll be more than happy to help.